Hello Mitro, how are you? Enjoying? So let's start today's lecture. Last time I was teaching you about birthday paradox. Right now the topic has been over. So today we will be discussing about questions related to quotients. Okay, questions related to quotients. So in this what happens is that it is a random process. First of all you must know that it is a random process. How can you say that it is a random process? The definition of random process is that uh, the output comes from a the output comes from a fixed set of values. For coins it will be either head or tail. Fine. The output will come either head or tail, but you cannot guarantee which one will it come. So that is why the output cannot be guaranteed. The output will be random. That is why this process is called random process. Fine. I hope you understand what is a random process. Random process. Okay. So before starting questions, I want to give you some important points so that you can remember so that you can easily solve the questions. So tossing a coin. So if one coin is there, one coin is there, or two coin is there, coins, three coins. In how many similarly n number of coins. So in how many ways can we write the total number of cases? Total number of cases will be how much? Simple. So for one coin it will be either head or tail, either head or tail, either head or tail. How many cases are there? 2. Can we write 2 is equal to 2 to power 1? It's 2. For 2 coins, if 2 coins are tossed, how many cases will be there? Either it will be head head, head tail, tail head, or tail tail. How many cases are there? 4. Can we write 2 to power 4? 2 to power 2 is 4. Similarly for 3, how many cases will be there? If it is 1 here, power is 1. If 2 is here, power is 2. Similarly, do we have to write the samples? No. Directly write 2 power 3. It will be 8. Okay. Similarly for n, how many? 2 power n. This number of cases are there. Okay. We can also explain this 2, 4, 8 and 2 to the power n by choosing technique, NCR technique. NCR technique. How? NCR. How? You need to explain me. Write in the comment box how you can use NCR. How you can use NCR to find total number of cases in coins. Okay, so did you get that? How we will calculate that part? So let's discuss the questions now, because it's very important time to discuss questions, a lot of questions, and then we will be moving to playing cards. Okay, questions related to playing cards. Okay, so question is, a coin is tossed 2 times. What is the probability of getting same faces? How many times the coin has been tossed? 2 times. Fine. Question is same faces. Probability of getting same faces. Probability of getting same faces. So first of all, what are total number of cases? Total number of cases will be, one coin is there and it is tossed 2 times. So how will we write? 2 power 2. 4. Okay. And favorable number of cases? Number of favorable cases is equal to, either it will be head head or tail tail. These are the same faces, no? When we are tossing the coin two times, on both the occasions, either two heads are coming or two tails are coming. This is expected from us. So what is the possibility of that? So favorable cases are 2. So what will be the probability of the event? 2 by 4, half. Fine. I hope you got it. Now second part is more heads than tails. More heads. Here is the B part. More heads than tails. Okay. More heads than tails. So what is what is the possibility of getting more heads than tails? If both the faces are heads, this is one condition, and this is the only condition. Fine. This is the only condition, no? Because there are 4 conditions: head, tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. Tail, head, and tail, tail. So more heads. Here two heads are there. Here equal number of heads and tails are there. Equal number of heads and tails are there, and 2 tails are there. So favorable condition is 1, and total number of cases is 4. So 25% probability. Probability of the event is this much. 25%. Okay. I hope you got it. So it was an easy question. Let's discuss a little tougher. The condition change here is the coins are not 2 but 3. 3 coins are there. There is some issue with the blackboard today. Not getting cleaned. Okay. So if coins are 3 in number, 3 coins, what is the possibility that same number of faces? Same number of faces. So how will we solve? Same number of faces, that is either head, head, head or tail, tail, tail. If it is 3 times is done. So favorable cases are 2 and total number of cases is 2 to the power 3. This will be the probability of the event. It will be 1 by 4, 25%. Did you get it? And the second part is more heads than tails. More heads than tails. What are the favorable events? If head, head, head are there, all the 3 heads, conditions can be all 3 heads, 2 heads and 1 tail. Only these two are the conditions, no, to solve the question. So how will we choose that? 3C3 for all the heads. 3 chances are there and we have to choose all the 3. So 3C3 and then 3C or 3C2. Either this is possible or this is possible. By total number of cases, 2 to the power 3. What will be the answer? This is 1. 3C3 is 1. And 3C2, 3 factorial by 2 factorial, it will be 3 by 2 power 3. 4 by 8. This is 50% chance. 50% chance that more heads will be there than tails. Okay. That's it. And then if there are 5 coins, I hope you got it. This is the probability. This is the probability. Okay. So now if 5 coins are there, can you solve it by yourself? I will write the answer. You have to solve. Fine. Okay. You should write the answer by yourself. You should solve the question. I will be directly writing the question. Or should I solve it? Total number of coins are 5 this time. So same faces. Same faces. Tell me students, how can we solve for this same faces? Means all will be either head, head, or all will be tail. Okay. Only two favorable conditions are there. And total number of cases will be 2 power 5. Simple. 2 power 4. This is the probability. 2 power 4. So it will be 1 by 16. This is the possibility. What are the favorable conditions? These are only two favorable conditions. No. All will be head. All will be tail. Okay. So favorable conditions are 2. Now the second question is more heads than tails. More heads than tails. How can we solve that? Tell me. Either all 5 heads are there, all 5, or 4 heads, or 3 heads. Okay. Can we solve in this way? So choosing all the 5 heads, so 5c5, choosing 4 heads out of 5, choosing 3 heads out of 5. Only these these 3 conditions are there, no? And then 2 power 5. This is the probability of event. So what will be the answer? You calculate this. Okay. I'm not going to solve this. Okay. One very interesting question is there, which I want to share with you. It is very important, you know. The question says, wait a second. A and B simultaneously toss a coin until one of them gets head. If A starts the game, what is the probability for B to win and A to win? So A and B have started tossing. एक बार A toss करेगा, एक बार B toss करेगा. Okay, एक बार A toss करेगा, एक बार B toss करेगा. Head आया तो ये जीत गया. पहले head इसका आया तो ये जीत गया. ठीक है. So what is the possibility that B wins? Who is starting? A is starting. And A has started, and we have to find probability for getting B to win. What is the possibility that B will win? So if A is starting, so it is for head now. So if A is starting, and if he gets head for first instance, what will happen? B will never get a chance. So we have to choose in such a way that B wins. Okay. So if A is there and B also loses, so how will we solve this? You tell. This can be A tossed and he lost. Lost, so bar. And B wins in the first attempt. पहले बार में ही क्या हुआ कि A ने टॉस किया और वो नहीं जीता और B को मिला. ठीक है. और B जीत गया. एक ये पॉसिबिलिटी है, क्योंकि हमको B के जीतने का पॉसिबिलिटी फाइंड करना है. दूसरा ये हो सकता है कि A ने टॉस किया, A टॉस्ड, ही लॉस्ट, B टॉस्ड, ही लॉस्ट, A टॉस्ड, ही लॉस्ट, and B 1. This is another possibility. Another will be A tossed, lost, B tossed and lost, A tossed and lost, B tossed and lost, A tossed and lost, then B won. Similarly, others. Okay, did you get it? So A tossed and lost, this means he got tail. So what is probability of getting tail? 1 by 2, and probability of getting head is also 1 by 2. Here all these are plus, no, because this condition is, this case can be possible, this case can be possible, or this case can be possible, so or is there. So okay, similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 power 6, 1 by 2 power 6. So 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 to power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 6. सिमिलरली 1 बाई 2 पावर 2 4 6 8 होगा. ठीक है, फाइन. So how will we solve this? How will we solve this? You tell. Can we solve it like this? Can we sum this up? What is the formula for Sn in GP? It is A 1 minus R. Fine. For infinite GP, this is the formula, no? A is what? How much? 1 by 4. And what is R? 1 minus 2 square. So 1 by 4 upon 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 minus 3, 1 by 3. This is the possibility. This is the possibility that, this is the possibility that B wins if A starts the toss. Okay, see there here. This is the possibility that B wins if A tosses the coin for the first time. So can you see that the possibility is less than 50%. अगर मैंने स्टार्ट किया तो मेरा पॉसिबिलिटी जीतने का ज़्यादा होगा और B का कम होगा. ठीक है, तो A का कितना होगा बताओ? A का कितना होगा उसको कैलकुलेट करो. क्या उसको कैलकुलेट करना जरूरी है क्या? कैलकुलेट करना जरूरी है क्या? 1 माइनस 1 बाई 3 नहीं कर सकते? ए जीतने, ए बी के जीतने का चांस अगर 1 बाई 3 है तो ए के जीतने का चांस कितना होगा? 2 बाई 3 होगा. चलो आंसर तो 2 बाई 3 होगा, लेकिन इस तरीके से बनाओ. फिर इस तरीके से सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? मान लो ए ने टॉस किया और जीत गया. एक ये केस हो सकता है, ए ने टॉस किया हारा, बी टॉस्ड एंड लॉस्ट, ए टॉस्ड एंड वॉन. दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी. ए टॉस्ड एंड लॉस्ट. Lost means what? He got a tail, B got a tail, A got a tail, B got a tail, then finally A got a head. This is also a possibility. Similarly, A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar and A. So many cases are there. Okay, so what is the possibility? Possibility is here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 power 3 plus 1 by 2 power 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 by 2 power 7 plus dot dot dot. So what will be the sum? First term is 1 by 2, last and R is 1 by 2 power 4. So 1 by 2, can we write it like this? 2 by 4, 2 is, can we write this? 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, and here it will be 3 by 4. So answer will be 2 by 3. This is what we were expecting. Fine. I hope you understand this question. Next question. ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया ना? इसमें क्या था कि ए ने टॉस स्टार्ट किया, तो क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है कि ही विल विन इन गेटिंग ईदर हेड और टेल. ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एन अनबायस्ड कॉइन इज टॉस्ड at infinite number of times. Find the possibility of getting 4 heads, fourth head on the 10th attempt. A coin is tossed infinite number of times. What is the possibility to get a fourth head on 10th attempt? Okay, so can we say that he has to get 3 heads before 10th अटेम्प्ट. 10वीं बार में आपको हेड आना है चौथा हेड आपका आएगा 10वीं बार में. ठीक है. यू विल गेट द फोर्थ हेड ऑन द 10th अटेम्प्ट. सो कैन वी से दैट ही हैज टू गेट 3 हेड्स बिफोर 10th अटेम्प्ट. सो व्हाट विल बी द बिफोर 10th अटेम्प्ट? 3 हेड्स बाई 9th attempt. Okay, so 9 chances will be given to him. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chances are given to him, and then he has to manage 3 heads. So how can he manage? He can get all the 3 heads in the first 3 attempts, or these 3, or these 3, or these 3, or these 3, or these 3. So many ways are there. So how many ways are there? So many, but we have to solve it. No, we have to find the numerical value. So how many numerical value will be? 9c3. In 9c3 ways he will be getting 3 heads out of 9 attempts. 9 बार में आपको 3 को चूज करना है. कितने ढंग से चूज करेंगे? 9c3 तरीके से. ठीक है. और उसके बाद ऑन 10th अटेम्प्ट ही हैज टू गेट अनदर हेड. व्हाट इज पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ दैट? 1/2. व्हाट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस? 2/9. फेवरेबल केसेस इज दिस एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ केसेस इज 9. 2/9. ओके. कैन यू राइट इट लाइक दिस? 9c3 into 1 upon 2 power 10. You can write it. So this is the possibility of getting fourth head on 10th attempt. So calculate fifth head. A question for you. Where is my black pen? Calculate fifth head in 10th attempt. How will we solve this? A question for practice. Tell me the answer. I am waiting for you. Just think about it, and I am here to solve your doubt. Okay. So you have to get, or let's change this by 15. Okay. No worries. 20, 25, nothing. So fifth head in 15th attempt. So by 14th attempt he has to manage 4 heads. Okay, because there are 5 heads now. So by 14th attempt he has to manage 4 heads. What is possibility of that? 14c4, and if we multiply it with 2 power 14, this is the probability, and then probability of 15th attempt will be 1/2. It can be either head or tail. So this is the probability of getting 5th head on some attempt, on 5th head on 15th attempt. Okay, I hope you got it. Next question. Let's stop it here. There are too many questions on coins. I hope you understood this. Okay. Tomorrow we will be studying questions on playing cards. Okay. ताश का पत्ता, उस पर हम लोग क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे. I hope you are enjoying the video and understanding the concept of probability very easily. See, I am trying my best to make you people understand everything I can teach you. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, and then last video we had discussed in the last video we had discussed about birthday paradox. Okay, so there was one mistake by my side. I had told you about twins. I had said about twins. The exact word is not twins because we were discussing possibility of getting same birthday. So in twins the year also has to come to be same. Okay, but on same birthday, if my birthday, let's take an example of my birthday only. 10th July is my birthday. 10th July 1997 is my birthday. If another guy born on 10th July 95, are the two twins? No, they are not twins because their year of birth is different. Okay, so they are not twins. So in the last video I had discussed that what is possibility of getting twins. If they are born in same year, then only they can be called twins. And in last video we were calculating about same birthday. Date of birth is same, not the year of birth is same. Okay, so that's it. I hope you are enjoying the video series. So if you are enjoying, what you have to do is that you have to like the channel as well, subscribe it, share it, comment as well, give necessary feedbacks, and keep waiting for the next video. Okay, bye.